Fijian government, ladies and gentlemen, has actually recognized the importance and the capabilities of geospatial information and its technological and its technologies such as the geospatial information systems, the use of remote sensing images and global positioning systems. Therefore, in support of this particular great initiative, government provided a significant boost of close to $5 million over the past 3 years to the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources for the development of Vanua GIS, modernization of our very own data, and the purchase of satellite images and a mapping drone. And with the development of Vanua GIS, I believe it would continue to incorporate the platform for spatial and non-spatial information. Ladies and gentlemen, the GIS is an important tool, as you all know, in many sectors and industries, which include utilities, which include disaster management, urban and regional planning, and most importantly, climate change and green growth. And some organizations, I understand, may have developed their own GIS, such as Fiji Roads Authority, the Water Authority of Fiji, Fiji Electricity Authority, Telecom Fiji, and whilst others are actually in their planning stages. However, I'd like to reiterate that the Vanua GIS was developed not only for the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources, but for all of us, as the name Vanua indicates. Now, furthermore, the Vanua GIS will serve as a repository for fundamental data, which will be hosted by the Information Technology and Computing ITC services purely to display and analyze data. The process would also depict means and ways in achieving government's goals and commitment towards the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, and Samoa, which seeks accelerated modalities of action, pathway in the Paris Agreement on climate change. I'd like to remind us all that government annually pays a substantial amount on the ArcGIS Enterprise license subscription to ensure that the Vanua GIS portal usability and sustainability is maintained. And moreover, it is made free of charge to all government ministries, whilst a small fee is charged for statutory bodies and the private sector. For this reason, a collaborative effort in sharing of geospatial data by all stakeholders present in this particular forum through the National Geospatial Information Strategy is extremely and critically important. So therefore, I urge all of you to continue providing this particular platform all the necessary data as you have been doing in the past, as this would greatly assist in the projects that you are currently undertaking. And for those organizations that have not done this, I request that you please do so, as the benefits are rewarding both in the short and in the long run. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government is the custodian of an astounding collection of unique data gathered directly and indirectly over the course of many years, and the creation of this particular usable, reliable, accurate, and temporal and authoritative geospatial data for the benefit of the nation is the heart of the geospatial industry. And therefore, I encourage you all of you participants that are present here today, to actively and continuously share whatever data you may have, as this would ensure the continued sustainability of this particular system. And rightfully so, when there is no data, there is no system. And when there is no system, there's no definite answer and absolutely no feedback. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I know you're all keen to get on with today. With those few words, I wish you well in today's discussions and deliberations. And I encourage you all to actively participate throughout the day and continue to contribute toward a positive, progressive geospatial industry. And I will. Thank you.